Hi everyone. So before you begin your final project in the dynamic line, I want to go over one last thing, and that is where everything is with regard to this project. So the dynamic line rubric is right here. It's also in the video, the first video. So definitely watch that. Secondly, there's your videos and presentations. So please watch these in the order that they are in. So you want to start off with the rubric for dynamic line project, and then how to start your project, and then what is great and not great about dynamic line, and then there will be one more video after that. In addition, I want to talk a little bit about the drop boxes. So the drop boxes are here. There's your thumbnails, your 8x10s, and then you're going to see these three drop boxes that are about 35% and 65%. This is not black and white. This is dark and light. So this is dark and light. So see where it says right here, 35% light, 65% dark. No gray, no modeling, no pencils are used in this. Same thing here. This is where you will submit your 8x10 drawings, but they will be 50% light and 50% dark. So what you're going to do is once you finish getting that 8x10 and you have it all inked out, you're going to go and Xerox it. You're going to Xerox it at least 6 times. So you should have 3 of each. So you have 2 designs, 3 of each design. And then you're going to do this hatching. You're going to work with your line networks. So let's take a look at where that stuff is. So if we go into help for line networks and we look at this right here, I want to show you. See how this line networks are kind of they go from light to dark. So the more lines you have, the darker it looks. So this is not shading like with a pencil. Notice this one. We just have these sort of lightning like lines, and then there's more and more and more and more. And we get to the end here, they all feel like they're dark, but they're not black. And these all feel light, but they're not white. That is what I'm looking for. I do not want to see white and black. I want to see light and dark. So when it asks you to take your design and do 35% light and 65% dark, that means that 35% is going to be up in here and 65% is going to be over here, right? Same thing if you go the reverse. If it's going to be 65% light, then that means most of it's going to be up in this area. 65% of the design will be light and 35% will be dark like that. So this is very important part of this process. So definitely do not, forget about doing and taking those, those light and dark pieces. And if you have questions about that, don't be afraid to ask me. And then there's a quiz for weeks 3 and 7, and then your discussion questions for week 3 through 7. So that's all I've got for today, and good luck on beginning this project.